Hi Scholarly friends! You probably have many files in your drive that don't necessarily contain keywords in their titles, which can make search complicated. Adding a description to your doc or any file within Google Drive is easy and will make finding documents simpler and faster. Within Drive, select the file you want to add a description to. Select the Details icon on the top right corner, or right-click on the file and select View Details. Add your description in the description box. Click out of the box and it will automatically save. When you search for this file in Drive, Google will use any descriptions you have added to narrow down the search. Let us know how you get on by commenting down below. Hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you will be notified on our next upload.